Okay, this is SPM MF 2014 paper 1 question number 7. Okay, given log k 9 equals to 2, find the values of k. Okay, this question is quite simple. So what I will do first is I need to know one of the formula in order to solve A. I'm going to write out the formula first. It's something like log A B equals to C. And then imagine you can move the log A to this side. It will become A power of C. So that means the A over here, they will become the number. And the C over here actually will become the power of A. Okay, so if you understand about this law of the log, you can easily solve this one. So what I will do is, since log k 9 equals to 2, so if I move the k to the other side, it will become k power of 2. Okay, then I move the power of 2 to the other side, is actually k will equal to square root 9. Okay, normally for square root, I will write the positive, negative, for the answer, because square root actually tell us that we have two answers. But because log, the base of the log over here is impossible to have the negative value. So in this case, k is impossible to get a negative 3. So in this case, I didn't write the positive negative 3. I just write the answer is 3. Okay, it's simple. This is A. Okay, for B. For B. So you have question like this: log 9 1 over k. Alright, so first thing is you have to understand this is 1 divided by k. In the law of the log actually tell us when divide happen, it will become minus log 9 1 minus log 9k. Okay, and log 9 1, okay, for log, right, if the number is 1, it just means 0. Okay, it means 0. Okay, minus this one. In order to make the in order to use the information given over here, I must be log base k9. I cannot have log base 9. So what I will do is I will change base. But because I see this is k, right? So I can use this method of change base is 1 over, then these two I switch place. Log k9. Alright, then this one actually will be 0 minus log k9 is 1 over 2. Alright, so it's negative 1 over 2. Okay, I can understand some of you might be very confused. First is why this one will actually give you 0. So I explain one by one. Then I will explain about this formula as well. So first thing, let's say I have log 9 1. Okay, first thing is I understand everything power of 0 equals to 1. So I can say this is log 9. I change the 1 into 9 power of 0, because 9 power of 0 is actually 1. Okay, why I choose 9 power of 0? Because this is base 9. Because I know the base number and this number is the same, they will become 1. And then the power, I can move in front. This is a basic log rule. So I get 0. Multiple log 9 is 1. So therefore, I get 0. Okay, you just imagine any other number, any other log number here is 1, is just equals to 0. So for example, I just give you few more examples to make sure you understand this basic log. So for example, if I got log C1, I know it's 0. Why? Because I can change 1 into C power of 0. Then this is 0. Because C power of 0 is still 1. Alright. So whenever you see 1, most of the time is actually will equals to 0. Okay? Okay, then I go back to the second thing. Okay, this one is actually one of the law of log. Let's say log AB is actually will become 1 over log BA. Do you see actually I switch place? The base now become the number, and the number over here actually will become the base. Okay, but how actually this formula work is like this. Okay, just assume you couldn't remember this formula. What you can do is use back the normal rule of changing log. So let's say I want to change to the log B. So what I will do is, I will write log B over log B. And then the bigger number, I write at the top. The base number, I write at the bottom. So you see this log BB, I get 1. And then this one is just log BA. So do you find out actually both of them is the same thing? So yeah, so what you need to understand is, you can remember this formula, or you can remember another formula of changing base. This is very common. Let's say you have log AB and you want to get something else, which is log C. So you just write log C over log C, and then this one will be B, here will be A. Okay, this is the law of changing base. Change base, okay, in log. So it's not really hard if you understand about rule of log. So the question like this is quite simple. Of course, you have to understand 1 divided by k, you can expand, become log 9(1) minus log 9k. Okay, then yeah, this is 0, and this one you change base, you get 1 over 2, and the answer will be negative 1 over 2. Okay, this one should be quite simple. Okay, thanks for watching.